Sophie brought to my attention something today, and she says, River, you have had your car for 1 year. I said, no way. Are we throwing a party? I've had my car for a year, and it's crazy to think because it doesn't feel like it's been a year. Hold on. It's crazy to think because it doesn't feel like it's been a year, but I've had the car a year. I haven't even registered it since I purchased it, so I actually have to go get it registered. So honestly, I have to pay for its birthday. Kind of not lit. But let's throw a party for the whip. Hey Sophie.
What?
Today is my car's birthday. 1 year old.
No way, bro. Already?
We should throw a party. Put your hand up. Put your hand up. All right, maybe you shouldn't do that. Maybe don't do that.
Happy birthday to the whip.
To the whip.
Happy birthday,
Dear. Finna blow up. Happy. Yes, the rumor is absolutely true. I've officially had my car for 1 year, and in this video, I would like to do a 1 year review of my 2016 WRX, everything I have done to it, how it has treated me, any problems I've had. And other than that, before we start this video, I would like to do my weekly shout out for anyone that has added me on their Instagram stories or commented down below in the videos. Here's our boy Liam Hill. He has himself a personal blog on his Forester XT. The thing is clean. Super impressed with the build, guys. You don't see too many clean Foresters. Other than that, boys, let's jump right into this video. Today is gonna be an awesome one. Yo. Oh, you really made a cake?
I told you I was going to. It's a Subies birthday.
Let's go! You put sprinkles on? Yo, okay, wait, first of all, before you put the sprinkles on, please put something dope. Honestly, like, write something in the sprinkles. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Can you please do that?
I'll try.
Okay, if not...
I'm not an artist.
Hey! Hey, if not, do some fancy with this, okay? No. Let's go! One of the craziest things I have learned about my sister is the girl can bake, the girl can cook. I can't even believe it, you know? I obviously do not have that talent, which you guys do know from one of the previous videos. Me and my brother Stone, we went and we cooked some... Actually, turned out pretty good. Anyways, on a better note, let's talk more about the Subaru, guys. Little update on the wide body process. Guys, I'm gonna be buying the kit soon, which you already know what that means. The awesome wide body series is about to begin. Honestly, can't stop thinking about it. It's gonna be an unbelievable upgrade. It's gonna totally change the Subaru, and we are going to be on year 2 with the Subie, and it's gonna come out with a wide body. Huh. But other than that, let's talk about year 1 and what we have experienced in year 1 of owning the 2016 WRX, and it might have a brother soon. That would be super dope. Guys, yeah, we've talked a lot about that. Anyways, let's talk about the 2016. I'm actually gonna head over to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go to my video button, and I'm just going to scroll through the videos I have made for modding the car. And then we are gonna pretty much go over everything that I have done with the car in 1 year. Super crazy. Yo, for some reason, the app was being weird, and it wouldn't let me access my older videos. So I'm just gonna kind of go off visually what I see and pretty much just state all the facts that I know about the car, which honestly, thinking about it, oh my gosh, I cannot believe how much I've actually done to this car so far and how much more there is to come. It's honestly endless, and that is my biggest reason on why I love the Subaru so much, is because it's endless. There's endless mods. With that being said, you can do multiple different routes, you know, mod it this way, and we are doing it this way. All right, I have put the APR wing on the car. We have done vortex generators. We have done the Tomei Extreme TI catback exhaust. We have tinted the tail lights. We have done emblem overlays. We do have an SPT carbon fiber strip on the back, and also the Grim Speed license plate cover. Holy yeah, I gotta fix that. Moving on around the car, we have added the drip sticker because we dripping. Guys, we have put some 18 by 9.5-inch wheels on the car, which you guys do know. Those are gonna be disappearing here soon, and we're gonna be changing them out for the bad boys over there in the corner. Yeah, I see you. I've got a lot of questions on these. These are Aeroflow dynamic side skirt extensions. Obviously they're the carbon fiber ones. I wanted to go that route. They stick out a little bit further. We have some Rally Armor mud flaps. We have another wheel. We have done the APR canards. I actually used to have the STI front lip on there, but I changed it over to the eBay, just like the CS style front lip. I like it a lot better. Looks a lot cleaner. Front license plate delete, as well as blacked out the housings of the headlights. So we have a windshield banner, right, for the front of the windshield. Moving on to the interior now. Haven't done too much to the interior yet, other than hang some drip and mods, hang tags in my window well, and carry a box of Clorox wipes, you know, for safety reasons. Nowadays, it's kind of crazy. I have a Broadway clip-on mirror. I've also had some questions on that. It's a Broadway mirror. Can't see crap right now. Let me brighten that up. Hey, what's good? Right here, we have the Likewise shift knob. I have the Louis V print on top. I really find that super dope. As well as the extension that gives it this look. Moving over here, I have a little emblem overlay right there. And for the famous Louis Vuitton access port cover, I customized that. I'm gonna sell them soon, I promise. It's just kind of in the works right now, trying to figure out how to do it professionally, because I ain't gonna send out something that, you know, is not done right. Anyways, I think that's it for the interior, but we do need to pop the hood. All right, underneath the hood, we have some awesome cosmetic stuff to talk about. Sponsored by Grimspeed. Love them. They do awesome work. Love all their parts, their engine bay. Everything looks good. Sorry the car's a little dirty. It did rain yesterday or last night, so obviously I haven't had time to wash it. In the meantime, we have a Mishimoto air intake. That was actually on the car when I bought it. We have the Grimspeed radiator shroud, the pulley cover, and the fender shrouds. Those are super cool. Those are brand new car parts to the whole game as of this year. So those are super dope. I really like them. I guess I have a dope battery. I didn't know that was an expensive battery, but connected to that is the sub fuse. So you already know my subs be slapping. Back in here, we have the BC racing coilovers. Love those, had no problems with those, and they're just amazing. I love them. They ride nice, they're adjustable. Wheel it. Looking down in the engine bay, sadly I do not know if you can see, maybe I can make it. Connected to the air intake is a Perrin turbo inlet, and then attached further to that is a Bomba bypass valve, I believe. Honestly, cannot remember which one it is. It was on there when I bought it, so the bypass valve. So now breaking it all down performance-wise, I technically just have a catback exhaust and an air intake, as well as the access port and a professional or a pro dyno tune. My tuner is Ryan Kitchen's Simple Performance. I love it there. They're totally awesome. Following that, a big question I do get is how much wheel horsepower do I make? Well, I make 275 wheel horsepower, and I believe 280 torque, so really not a lot. Honestly, kind of impressive for just an air intake and an exhaust. That's one thing that I really noticed comparing to the power from my 04. Very similar, and I just have a exhaust, an air intake, and a tune. So furthermore mods to come for the performance. As you guys know, I love to do cosmetic. That is my thing. We're doing that first. I don't care. I love cosmetic mods. I'd rather it look fast than be fast. But no, I love my cars to look dope, and it's just so sick. So sick. With owning the 2016 Subaru WRX for 1 year, I have absolutely had no problems with it, and I've had absolutely nothing but fun in the car. With doing some mild performance mods to it, and after a tune, it really opened up the potential of the stock potential it has, I guess, in a way. But other than that, it's been super fun, and I've done nothing but love it, and I cannot wait for future videos to come with the car, because it's just going up from here, and I am Yo, no way. You killed that. Let's go. We throwing a party for the Subie. It's your birthday.
You're welcome.
Yeah. I would never, ever allow this outside of the Subie's birthday. We gotta throw a party for it, you know what I'm saying? It's time to eat some cake.
Oh my God.
Is it bomb? Mm-hmm. Yo. Oh my God. Gotta get some sprinkles.
Oh, I want sprinkles.
Mm-hmm.
Bro.
I love birthday parties.
Me too.
Why can't we have a birthday party every day?
Right? Mm-hmm. Might as well.
There's more in my car than there is in the plate, bro.
Shut up.
Sorry. I don't know. Should we take a Paisley some?
We gotta cut it from a plate.
Gotta take it to her like this? Just tell her to bring out a fork.
Get out the way, bit move.
Oh, boys. Everybody has to eat in this family.
Riva, thank you so much for my birthday party.
Oh, yeah, no problem. I mean, really, you know, I wouldn't want to leave you out. Oh my gosh, bro.
Bro, why does this have to happen to me?
Get the fuck out.
Cake?
That's the Subies cake. It's the Subies birthday. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you want some cake?
Take some for
You
her
can have
first.
some cake.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you guys next video. Hopefully we'll be soon. Might be a wide body video. I don't know. Anyways, peace out, guys.